today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a clicker in Scratch. So first of all, you'd want to go to your sprites, and then you would pick whatever sprite you would want to click. So for in this case, I'm going to pick a donut. And you'd also want to delete the cat. So first, you would probably want to get it to the size that you would want to get it. So you like the perfect size for it, unless it's the right size when you already have it. So I'd say like 150. Yeah, that looks good. So first of all, you would make a variable on whatever you would want. So in this case, I'm going to put donuts and for all sprites. Then, when the sprite clicked, change donuts by 1. So when you click it, it goes up by 1. When green flag clicked, set donuts to 0. So when you start, it's at 0. So then you would duplicate this, and then you'd make it make it say donut visual. So when you click it, it's gonna make an effect. So then you would make it like both at 0, 0. So it would make it at the same thing, and then make the donut visual a little bit tinier than the donut itself. So I'm gonna say 100. So now you go to donut, and then when this sprite clicked, create clone of donut visual. For donut visual, when I start as clone, and then you would do glide 1 second to random position. So that means like when it starts, it'll go to a random position and glide. Well, actually, I'm gonna make it where like forever, and then ghost effect or change ghost effect by 2, which will make it like disappear while it's gliding. So then you just add another when I start as clone, and then glide 1 second to random position, and then delete this clone. So when it goes to the end, it'll delete. So now as you see, when you click it, it makes this effect, and when it goes for 1 second, it deletes. So it makes a cool visual effect. And then you can do when the sprite clicked, set size to 100 or whatever size you had it at first, and then wait 0.05 seconds, and then set it to a little bit bigger. Well, in this case, I had it at the start as 150, so I'd make the first size 150, but if it's at 100, you make it like that. So I'm going to put 150 and make it a little bit bigger, so I'm going to put 175. So then now when you click it, it makes a cool effect when you tap it, like going up and down. I'm going to say 160, because it's kind of better when it's only a little bit, so I'm just going to do like that. That looks good. So next, I would make the backdrop, which I prefer the raised backdrop because it kind of matches the clicker game. So it kind of looks like the middle is like the clicker, and when you click it does like that. So then, yeah, it looks like that with the background. So then I would put when this green flag clicked, go to whatever you want. I'd middle it out to the raise, and then when green flag clicked, match the X and the Y to that. Part 2, I'll teach you how to add a crop and make it move around a little bit more.